Yoga for frozen shoulders. Today we will be talking about a condition that is characterized by stiffness and pain in the shoulder joint. The condition occurs more commonly in people with diabetes and in people who have kept their arm immobilized for a long period of time. The pain occurs in both the shoulders or either one of it. We can start with the neck movements, gently raising the neck up and slowly bringing it down towards the collarbone. Every movement, feel the stretch in the back of the neck, and when you raise your neck, feel the stretch in the throat region. Keep your shoulders completely relaxed and released. Repeat the movements 5 to 6 times, slowly and gently. You can keep your eyes open and closed up to your wish. These movements release the tension in the neck region and the radiating pain from the neck to the shoulder decreases. Secondly, the neck movement is circular rotation of the neck. Now gently rotate your neck clockwise, trying to touch the ear to the shoulders on coming towards the shoulder. Do not exert pressure at any point of time. Gentle, slow rotation clockwise 3 to 4 times and anti-clockwise 3 to 4 times. Keep your awareness on the movement and keep your awareness on the muscles of the neck. When the neck comes in front, feel the stretch at the back of the neck, and when the neck goes back, feel the stretch in the front. Now the third neck movement can be looking towards the side. Now we start with the shoulder rotations. Now keep your hands on your thighs loosely and then raise your shoulders up as if to try to touch the ear and rotate and bring it forward. Feel the coming closer of the back of the muscles, upper back muscles together, and when you rotate it anti-clockwise, feel the chest closing in. Complete awareness on the shoulder muscles, hands to be let loosely down. Now we go with the third movement. Stretch your arms and gently place it on the fold and place it on the shoulder. Again the same movement. With inhalation, bring your elbows, bent elbows close. Try to touch the elbows together and then rotate and take it back. Now this mobilizes the shoulder, releases the stiffness in the shoulder and creates space in the shoulder joint. Helps to reduce the pain. The same movement can be done anti-clockwise. You can see the back of the shoulders, upper back should come close. Your awareness at any point of time should be there on the movement. Now we go with another movement, that is a shoulder stretch. Stretch your one arm towards the opposite side, keep the other arm as shown, and then turn your neck to the opposite side. A gentle pressure of the arm, it stretches the shoulder completely. Do the same movement on the other side. The hand which is stretched out, the neck should be opposite to that direction. Another movement that can be done is wrist rotation. Now make Adi Mudra with both your fists. Curl the thumb inside and make a fist. Stretch your arms outside and gently rotate your fist. Now only the rotation should be of the fist and the arms should be completely stretched out. You can feel the internal rotation of the muscles and the stretch going till the shoulder region. Do the rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise both ways as if you are drawing a O on a board. Now we can start. These are the exercises without any prop. You can take a towel or any dupatta, whatever you have, and then hold it between your hands. Hold it in your hands, and in case you have pain in both the shoulders or either one of it, this exercise goes very well and reduces the pain. Hold it at the shoulder length tightly in your arms and stretch your arms up. Keep awareness that your arms are completely pulled towards the outer region from your shoulders. No strain on the neck, and gently raise it up to the head and slowly bring it down. Can be repeated 3 to 4 times depending on the level of pain. Again, with the same towel, you can do another exercise that is applicable for both the shoulders or one shoulder. If you have pain in right shoulder, then take the towel in your right hand and gently hold it in your hand and take it at the back side. Hold the towel other end with the other hand as I am doing, and gently pull the left hand down. How much ever you can, you will pull the right arm up doing this way. It again helps in mobilizing the shoulder. Initially maybe the arm doesn't move, but gradually it will reduce on the stiffness. Repeat the movement 3 to 4 times. In case you have pain in the left arm or the left shoulder, hold the towel in the left hand and gently take it at the back of your body. Hold the other end with the other arm and with the right hand pull it back. Gently pull it down. It pulls the shoulder of the left hand up and again helps in reducing the stiffness. Be gentle with the practice and do to the limit your body permits. Gradually the pain will subside. With the towel, there are other applications that can be used or done. Take the towel in your right hand and take the towel at the back of your body. Now, as I am doing, just hold it in both your hands. Gently pull the towel towards the left side, bring it in the center, and then take it to the right side and bring it to the center. When you're doing these exercises for frozen shoulder, make sure that awareness is on the shoulder muscles and neck is not stretched or strained at any point of time. Following these a few steps and exercises, the pain in the shoulders will reduce. Make sure that if the pain is excessive, then stop doing the practice. Please consult a doctor. But these are simple exercises. Go slow with the count. Initially do 2 to 3 times, and as and when your capacity increases and the pain decreases, you will be able to increase the count. I hope this will be helpful for you all.